We are excited to announce that the countdown has begun and we are on the home stretch to completion at Akoya, Greenwich. I'm James Downing from Ray White Projects and Developments, and we have been a part of this world-class development working alongside Alcyon since they broke ground in 2021. The builder, Stevens Construction, has topped out of the building, marking a major construction milestone. Over the coming months, you will see the stunning architecture come to life, whilst internally the finishers team will be working hard to deliver the wonderful interiors, which also include a commissioned sculpture for the lobby and club lounge areas. What makes it so appealing is the lifestyle it offers to downsizers. Akoya has set the benchmark on the lower North Shore with a full suite of resort-like facilities, including a private dining room, club lounge and bar, rooftop lap pool, golf driving range and private theatre. It has been a great success, having sold over 80% of the apartments, and we're very proud to work on this unique project. There are a limited number of opportunities to secure your piece of this exclusive address. Contact the team at Ray White Projects and Developments today to find out more.